Gentle, gentle. Backwards, please. Backwards, please. Backwards, please. No, honey, I have to hold on. I have to hold on. Every time I do hold on, you fall down.
Hi, Sophia.
See, Mom, this is what we do in the backyard.
Oh my goodness.
Careful, remember, it's really bumpy.
Hi. Oops. Happy St. Patrick's Day.
Bye.
Hi. No stairs for you.
Sophia, look what I have for you. Sophia.
What does Grandma have?
Sophia, I have arugula. You want some? Take a little bite, little bite.
Little bite.
Little bite.
Arugula.
Oh, now you're walking in the baby arugula. You're walking through the beets. Through the strawberries. She usually falls down a couple times because there's a lot of bumps.
Yeah.
Good job.
Hi.
Look at that face.
More stairs.
Hi.
Hi. Hi.
Okay, can I help you? Can I help you? She likes it there. Oh, we'll have to show you how funny it is to wipe off her feet. Let me go back in. She gets the banister thing, but unfortunately all the banisters are too high. Okay, good job. Can I help? Sweetheart? Good girl. Yay! Good job. Okay. Okay, go sideways. Remember, it's easier sideways.
Psst. Hi.
Say hi, Mom. Talk about looking like a leprechaun. Look at her.
I know.
It's perfect. She's got the green, she's got the necklace, and there's the clover. It's not four-leaved, but... Don't eat that, please, remember? We've discussed this. I mean, it's not really bad for you, but it doesn't taste very good. Here, do you want another piece of arugula? Here's a fresh piece of arugula with no dirt. Oh, but that one's probably much better. Can I help? Here, let me help. Let me help. I know you don't want help. Can I help? Good girl. Oh, good job. What a big girl you are. Hi.
Hi.
More arugula? Say thank you. Oh, I got her to say up. You know,
She says up now?
Because I always say up please when she comes up and does this, and today I say up please, and she said up.
Up.
Good
There
girl.
you go. And she stands up.
Yay, good girl. What a good job. She learned something else and I can't remember what it was. Okay, you gonna get down? You smell like arugula. That's a good thing though. You going back up? The stairs just rock. Especially when they're sanding.
Oh, she's not afraid of dirt.
No, she's not. Oh, she's eating lots. Here, let me hold on. You can hold on to me. You can do it all by yourself now. Okay? Nasturtium's not good to pull yourself up by. It's not strong. Oh, you want, no, if you want to eat one, eat a smaller one. They taste better. Here, eat this one. This is a good one. Okay?
Oh, yummy, yummy.
Oh, you could eat the big one. Oh, it's a mess.
Ooh, look at this big open field.
Well, your dad used to eat that, so I guess it won't kill you.
Sophia. Hi. Hi.
It's the jungle, Mama.
I know, everything here is at least waist high.
I know, it's so pretty. Yuck. That's yucky. Here, that one's no good. Can I see that, please? Yeah, yuck. You don't want to eat that one. Here, would you like some more arugula, though? Here, have some arugula. That's yummy. Whoops. Here we go. Oh, you've got nasturtium. You can eat nasturtium. No, that's not the good one. That's not the good one.
Well, she seems perfectly fine.
Good job!
Hi.
Hey. Arugula. No, eat some arugula instead, sweetheart. You're supposed to eat arugula. You're not supposed to eat on salads.
Psst. Say hi. Hi. Yeah.
Going down this section is pretty treacherous. Don't forget, it slopes down pretty far. Okay, big girl.
Let's get the hat.